Hello friends, today's topic market crash. Investors lost 12 lakh crores. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today I am deliberately wearing the red jacket. So you can guess the market was deep red. Nifty fell by 1.5% today. In fact, it would have fallen more, but there was slight recovery. Nifty has closed below the 22,000 mark. However, Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index fell by 4.4%. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index fell by 5.3%. Many small cap stocks crashed around 10% today. How far from all-time high level? Nifty 50 all-time high level 22,494, current level 21,998 and change from all-time high is minus 2.2%. Nifty mid-cap 100 all-time high closing 49,327, current level 45,971 and percentage change from all-time high is minus 6.8%. Nifty Small Cap 100 all-time high closing 16,500, current level 14,295, percentage change from all-time high minus 13.4%. Now major reasons for the fall in markets. Number one, small cap mutual funds have stopped accepting lump sum investments. Many small cap funds have stopped or going to stop lump sum investments until further notice. Only SIPs are allowed. This has been done to reduce the inflows to such funds since large number of retail investors have been investing without understanding the risk of these funds. Due to this restriction for investors and also due to the crash in small cap stocks, many investors are withdrawing money from their small cap funds. This is causing further pressure on mutual funds since they will need to sell small cap stocks in order to pay back investors who have requested for redemption. Around 869 stocks were locked up in the lower circuit on NSE today. Yesterday it was 600. Number two, nervousness due to mutual fund stress announcement on 15th March. As per SEBI's orders, all mutual funds have to publish a stress test report mentioning how many days it may take to sell all their mid and small cap holdings if it is required. This is being done for SEBI to know how retail investors could get stuck if mutual funds are not able to sell their small cap stocks easily due to lower buying volumes. In fact, AMFI has instructed fund houses to submit the stress test results once every 15 days. Fund houses are required to publish this information on their respective websites as well as on AMFI website. Hence, SEBI is trying to ensure that the money of retail investors is as safe as possible and to make sure that there are no major negative consequences of such situation. Third reason, bearish technical indicators. At the beginning of 2024, 90% of the stocks in the small cap index were trading above the 20 DMA. This is used to check the bullishness or bearishness in that short term. However, currently only 4% of the stocks in the small cap index are trading above their 20 DMA. Such bearishness, especially in small cap stocks, was last seen in May-June 2022 when only 1% of the stocks were trading above their 20 DMA. Out of the top 500 stocks in NSE, only 11% of the stocks are trading above their 20 DMA. This is compared to 77% trading above 20 DMA in January 2024. There is a good chance that the small cap index may fall 25 to 30% easily from its all-time high. Now, fourth reason why there was a crash in the markets today was negative effect of Adani Group stocks fall. Due to weak sentiment, Adani Groups which are part of various indices fell heavily today. The various Adani Group stocks are down between 4 to 9% today. Nifty has closed below the 22,000 mark. This is not very positive sign. However, since it closed 21,998, there is still hope of regaining 22,000 mark. However, if there is further selling pressure in the coming days, then it will fall below and move closer to 21,600, 21,700 levels. When all the stocks are falling heavily, the really happy situation for long-term investors who can invest at lower prices. Of course, you need to be holding fundamentally strong stocks so that they will bounce back later. If your stocks are weak, you will see that many of them will not recover even when markets recover in the future in a loss in many of them. End of the video, here is the question. Did you invest some money for long term today? Yes or no? In case you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.